Hello again, Kurt here from Bear Fox Marketing. Hope you're having an amazing day. I wanted to take a moment and explain the CRO audit aspect of our rankings revenue strategy, why it matters to your traffic, and how this is directly connected to the conversion rate from your website. When we conduct the CRO video, we're looking at 5 main elements that contribute to your website's conversion rate. Number 1, how does your website stack up against leading competitors in your space? Not only from a design perspective, but also a trust, offers, and authority. Number 2, upon loading the website, does it instantly grab your attention and keep it? We have roughly less than 3 seconds to capture a visitor's attention before they exit the website. That is statistical data. Number 3, is there a clear headline containing a call to action and or offer? Visitors should be directed on what to do when they arrive at your site. Number 4, does your website build trust and authority by the use of several things, right? Trust badges, certifications, guarantees, risk-free offers, testimonials, and celebrity authority associations. Number 5, if you're selling products, is there a clear display of reviews and total ratings which help establish popular products and which ones are trusted by many, right? Think of those star ratings when we talk about that. Obviously, there are many more elements we look at, but these are some of the most critical and essential to move the needle in improving your conversion rate on your website. Because remember, an uptick in conversion rate can have a direct impact on sales very quickly while utilizing your existing traffic sources. When you apply these CRO principles and work on increasing traffic to your website, it's a win-win combination that will have a direct impact on your bottom line. I hope this video has provided some insight in the CRO aspect of our rankings revenue here at Bear Fox. Be on the lookout for our next email that's going to hit your inbox. There, we're going to do a deeper dive into the paid media aspect and some things to consider if you're currently leveraging paid media for your business. Until then, Kurt Kleinpeter again here at Bear Fox Marketing. Hope you have a good one. Take care.